guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Sai.
This is Shan.
This is Sue. And I am Rao. And we are from...
Halal Hangout Podcast.
This is a chaotic one, so bear with us. So,
Welcome to the Would You Rather Challenge. Kurik. Tagalog,
Yeah.
English only ha. Kamakabas magkuha ng...
So, irap.
Yes, because ang hirap
Sige.
mag-translate.
Okay, go. First question. Would you rather travel to the past or the future?
I would rather travel to the past. Because I want to change something.
oh, same.
Yes.
Same.
Because I don't wanna...
Yeah, I don't wanna
Yeah, especially during my high school days.
Yes.
And I wanna
especially
travel
when
back.
I am a child.
Pili-pili ako gusto rin po yung ng turn.
Okay, go.
So, yeah, same with her. I want to travel to the past as I want to change something
Ako gusto ko
for
pa
a better
maging isang.
future.
And your turn. Travel past, future.
Oo. Dahil dinner take out, oo. Ano, travel from the past. To the past.
Why? No, why?
Because, gusto ko na lang maging past.
Oh no!
Bumalik sa past. Hirap.
Ay, basta ko ning kung ma-future. Ay, Filipino na lang.
Tagalog ka na lang.
If future po kasi is there are a lot of problems and pressure in life, so that I want to be in the past because there are a lot of happiness and
Nagsasabi mo, mamabash ko, kayang English mo.
okay, maura to.
Ayuda.
Ayan
Pwede usabon kay minang
No, tama din. Go. It's candid. And
Grabe na,
candid
ah.
questions, Chan.
It's a blush on. Travel from the future.
Why?
Why?
Go to...
Because
Ano po sige ko po?
Go. Gusto ko future. Di ako
Like,
ayokong ibago ang past. Because we learn from the past.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go. Next.
Next question.
Would you rather have the ability to fly or be invisible? Fly or invisible?
I want to be invisible. Because nothing. I just want to observe other people. Because I can fly in my dreams.
Okay.
Like in my nightmare. Nalapat ka ba?
What if no, atanon tayo
Sige ko,
Kwan
Kwandagate,
Ganyan
ability
purpose,
to fly so that I can be free as the birds. Oh!
Kala ko siya, Hana.
Iboto sa Senado.
Wak! Hoy, wag ka nag-expose.
Manananggal. Okay.
Sige, ikaw.
Invisible.
Why?
Ano, murag ganahan lang kumutanaw sa ubang tao.
Kubas kayo, mag-subtitle CD.
Um,
Yes, makubas mag-subtitle.
Gusto ko na lang makita yung ibang tao kung ano ang
Dapat
kanilang
practice
mga
yapon.
purpose in life, yung mga ginagawa nila, yung mga like for example, yung ano nila yung ganun,
Yung ano?
yung mga ano like yung ano nila kamo ba like ano yung kanila
like at the talk.
yanin kanan.
Yes,
behind your back.
behind your back.
Yes, yan,
The
yan.
talks behind her back.
Oo. Ikaw.
I'd rather be
Kabaw? Wak.
Uy,
Gusto ko fly.
Fly, okay. Why?
Sino
Why?
ka? Di ako ayoko maging timaw.
Sige daw, why?
Bongi, ayoko rin maging bongi.
I want to gusto ko libutin ang world.
Pwede mo malibutin ang world na invisible ka para ganin.
Ayoko na invisible.
Bakit nga?
Mababanggaan nila.
Okay, next question. Next
question.
Would you rather have a pause or rewind button in your life?
Rewind.
I want to pause button because I want to take a break and I want to breathe.
Rewind.
Yes. So pause.
I rather have rewind since I have to change something so that I can have a better present.
Yung high school pa yan, pero kung change na.
Uy, di mo man alam yung kuha ng isa kautaw. You were never in my shoes.
Rewind.
Excuse me, no? Kasi Antoy.
Ay mo, good ba yan? Po? Rewind. Because I want, I want to change something in the past. Maora to. Ikaw.
Rewind.
Why?
Kaya gusto ko i-treasure ang past.
Paano mo yung masaktan ko ng bracelet?
Rewind! Boss, kay para treasure mo ito.
No, oy! Resume!
Like, minang i-serious yung past.
Okay, so
Na minang, yeah.
Dali na, be.
Change.
next.
Next, number 4.
Would you rather always have to sing instead of speak or dance everywhere you go?
Pina Disney ba? Like,
Ah, okay. Yung minang speak out nila through
Yes,
sing
like
or
Disney.
dance. Inyang kanta na, charot.
yes. But I rather talk.
Same talk.
Talk.
Ay, ayoko.
Tell it again. Say it again.
Would you rather always have to sing instead of speak or dance everywhere you go? Like minang sa movie, yung Disney.
okay.
Di ba mag-storya na sila through
If
sing.
the choices are dance and sing, I'd rather sing.
Same.
Oh, sige, why
No to
stop it and
dancing,
speak?
no to dancing, no to
So
dancing.
let's change the question. The choices will be
Sing and
singing
dance.
and dancing. So I'd like to choose singing. About you?
Singing. Birds of a feather.
Singing gyapon.
Okay, okay.
Hanging
Hindi ko yung kanta ng it porque kun magtiyaw-tiyaw as tagar.
Next answer. Ay, next
Would you,
next question.
would you rather have free coffee for life or free pizza for life?
Coffee! Coffee!
Acidic here.
Coffee.
Would you rather live without music or live without movies?
Live without movies.
Oh,
Na.
Because I can live without music. I can live without music. Because music is haram.
Live without music
Oo,
or
tama.
live without movies?
live without music.
Live without music na.
Eh, ka muna eh.
Sabi mo live without movies.
So,
Okay, next.
baka mabash. So, I'd rather
Gani-
say live without
Same.
music. I think I have to find movies with a lot of music now so that I can enjoy music din at the same time. Charis. About you?
Ano ko yung mga
Movies din.
no, there's a saying.
Yeah, you don't.
Taga na sipon.
So, damak.
Okay, Tagalog, Tagalog. Rather live without music.
Pero ate, kaya di gigit siya mabash.
Oy, di. Mas gusto ko Gusto ko movies.
Yan eh. Would you rather never have to sleep or never have to eat? Never have to sleep or never have to eat?
I won't choose.
Next question, please.
Like, di mo siya...
Wala.
na- Di ko, ay,
Okay,
mamatay ka.
I think I would rather... What's the question?
Would you rather never have to sleep or never have
Never
to
have to sleep. As long as I'm eating elsewhere, traveling around the world and eating lots of food, good food,
Good mood.
then I don't have to sleep. I'm just going to eat in different places.
eat? Yeah. Travel.
Of course, same
Without
with her.
sleep.
I'd rather not sleep, but of course,
Blush on.
I want to eat as a foodie girl. Yeah, kaluod. Basta, yun.
Ikaw?
Never have to sleep. Birds of a feather, we should stick together.
No siya.
Yeah. Kay,
Next.
Would you rather have the ability to read minds or control them?
Read minds. I don't have to control them. I
Yeah.
just want to know what
know
they
all.
are thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
thinking out.
Kasi overthinker.
Loud.
Hindi man ako overthinker. I'm not an overthinker, but I just want to know what other people talks
Gusto mo malaman ko sino
about
totoo?
me or things thought about me or whatever. Yes.
Gusto mo malaman sinong totoo na ano?
Oh!
Like, di ka binabackstab.
Can you
Like,
say the question again?
toot! Would you rather have the ability to read minds or control them?
So, I
Hindi kasi
rather
ako
have to
manipulative.
read their mind. I rather have the ability to read their mind. As long as I know what they think about me or with a certain thing, then I think I'm okay with it.
I'm okay. Gwen Chana!
Thank
Okay, next.